The beauty of nature lies in freshness, openness, slow breeze, and the warm sun. The leaf or rains. Nature is made of everything we see around us. The trees, flowers, plants, animals, sky, mountains, forest, and more. We find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful.
I like this place and could willingly waste some time in it. If you do something noble and beautiful and nobody noticed, do not be sad, for the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle amid most of the audience still sleeps. In the spring, at the end of the day, you should smell like a bird, having lent a natural name and the most beautiful art that anybody could ever want. At some point of life, the world's beauty become enough. You don't need to photograph, paint, or ever remember it is enough. Never waste any amount of time doing anything important. Is there a summer or a sunset outside that you should be sitting under? Nature is poised with simplicity and nature is no doubt. Nature is first green gold. Her heart is full to hold. Her early leaves flower but only to an hour. Then lifts up side to leaf, so it is sad to grieve. And so down goes down take, nothing cold can save. God is discovered entirely through creation, the brilliance of the sunset, the powerful roar of a waterfall, the symphony of sounds you hear in the heart of the forest, or the vast rest of space, its countless star. When you do something noble and beautiful and nobody notices, do not be sad, for the sun every morning is a beautiful spectacle and yet most of the audience still sleeps. Hello nature, hello trees, hello plants, hello flowers, hello fishes, hello who made the morning and spread it over the fields. What's now how I start the day in happiness and kindness. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. If you look at the right way, you can see the whole world in garden. Should you shield the canyons from the western, you would never see the nature and beauty of the curves. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. I think having learned a natural thing and the most beautiful art that anybody could ever want. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Dress can be shortened, bent in the wind breeze, and they're still beautiful. Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves and strength that will endure as long as lives last. Sunsets are rough that eminence are over the beautiful too. There is something infinitely healing and repeating refrain of nature. I love nature, but when it is you, I try and put upon your head with so many good drops. Wait, sings you from my heart. You can cut all the flowers, but you can keep spring from time. Spring in nature, we will say, gray skies are just clouds passing over. If you wish to know that it's fine, feel the wind of your face and the warm sounds of your hand. I firmly believe that nature brings all its our troubles. In every walk, in nature, water seems more than the six. And we do not tell the thousands of more persons of nature has traveled and revealed. We can never have enough of nature. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Many trails be good to wander around some dangerous leading to the most of the city. The mountain lies into the valley and gardens where the river flows with the wind. I lie here in the morning sun and the sun finds me filled with unsuckles. And I leave this within my heart as sweet as of many hearts. The goal of life is to make your heart beat much the better of the universe to match your natures with nature. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Nature is love, that is the best it says. Looking at the beauty of this nature is the first step of purifying your mind. The world as your own self, then you can truly care for all the things. But once you are away from nature, it becomes hard. Because nature always wears the colors of the spirit. The sunset is not spectacular that day. The fatal broken and tangerine streaks on the overest. Chaos, the blue road, the sky was looking hidden behind the heavy
east. There are some days when the sunlight seems to dance. We meet and frolic with the tongues that far between the blades of grass, not to the bed, but we made a yellow light was created and confused, softly through the curtains with its strawberry lights and just float to illuminate highlighting the treetops of the leaves and swing. But the ground grass was silent, blinking not moving the sunset and the earth glittered. Let this water flows kiss you, let this waterfalls beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let this waterfalls sing you a lullaby. Flowers whisper beauty to the world, even as they fade wilt fall. Gardens and flowers have a way of bringing people together, drawing them from their homes. Take a flower in your hand and really look at it. It's your world for a moment. And imagine a relationship is like a flower. How long it lasts, no one knows.